Today I'm going to show you how to post a carousel on Facebook. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do is straight from Facebook, you're going to go over to the right hand side, click on your profile picture, make sure you come down to Meta Business Suite, and you'll end up right over here. Now on the left hand side, you'll be able to choose your account, so you'll have a business portfolio. And if you don't have one, all you have to do is click on create a business portfolio, and then you'll be able to create an ad account within that, and this is what we refer to as an asset. Once you've done that, you're going to come down over here to all tools, and once in all tools, you're going to look for ad manager. Now the shortcut here really is adsmanager.facebook.com, and it will take you straight to this page. Now what we want to do over here is on the left hand side, we want to make sure that when we get into ads manager, right on the top we have the correct business portfolio that has been selected. So just make sure that it's the same one that we chose earlier on. So now on the left hand side, hover your cursor over these icons, you'll now see campaigns. Within campaigns, this is what we're looking for. So what we actually want is we're going to go into ads, and within ads you're going to go and click on create. Now you'll have the option to choose different types of ads, and this doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to have to pay money and run an ad. You are going to literally run this as a post. So go ahead with your campaign objective. We want to just choose engagement, click on continue. Right over here we are going to just use the tailored messages campaign. Click on continue. This means that there's no manual setup that you need to do. Over here, once this page loads, you'll be able to see all of the details of this campaign. So I want you to go all the way down to the bottom. You'll see it says Facebook page. So it then says this page will represent your business in your ad and conversion. Now go ahead, click on the pencil icon, choose the one that you want to use instead of that one. It's taken that by default. And now you can see this is the one that I want to use. We're going to come down over here. It says automatic destination, so we have Messenger, we have Instagram, and then we have WhatsApp, but we're going to just leave that as is. Let's click on next. Don't worry about your budget, don't worry about anything else. Here you will see it says identity. Make sure that we are looking at Facebook page over here, so you want to add it to your Facebook page, and this is not going to be posted on your Instagram profile if you are not running an actual ad. In the ad setup, the create ad, we want to use the create ad. You're going to come down over here and click on carousel. Now you'll come down over here and you'll be able to add cards. Okay, so it says you have to add at least 2 cards, and you can add a total of 10. So go ahead, click on add cards. You can add images or videos. Let's go ahead and do that. Now you will have the option to add the cards directly from your Facebook profile. So if you'd like to repost images, you can do so, or you can go ahead and you can click on upload, and this will upload these images directly to your Facebook account, and you'll be able to then use those images. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to click on just a couple photographs here. So I'm going to just take these ones. Okay, that all looks good. Let's see, we've got 6 there. So that's great. I'm going to just grab these 7 over here. I'm going to click on continue, and you will now see that we have a headline. Okay, so we can just say like recap, and we can also include a description if we'd like. We can also see that over here are all the images that we're going to upload. We can also move them about. Okay, so if you click down, you can actually move like whichever photographs you want to a different part of the image. You can definitely do that. Right, now as we go down over here, you will be able to add a different description with each one of these. Okay, so you can just say like the headline recap, and then you say apply to all, and now it'll say recap on all of them. So that's great. All right, on the right hand side, you'll see this is now the preview of your ad. Okay, you can see where it's going, and that's great. You're going to come down here, you can add some primary text, and then as you come down you'll see a bunch of other things. Okay, and what we are going to do from here is we are going to click on publish. So once you've published it, okay, it'll just give you a couple details over here. So we're looking for currency, location, all the rest of that. Just say next. That's not a problem, because what we're going to do now is we're going to turn off the ad. Okay, so we can just go ahead and say next. We are now going to go add in your details. You'll now find yourself back over here in campaigns, and what we need to do is just make sure that we are turning the ad off. Okay, so over here, just underneath, you'll see that it is blended out, so you won't see this in blue. What we are going to do now is go back over here to all tools, and we're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to look now for the page posts. Now, page posts will allow you to see your ads, even though they're not public or published. So let's go ahead and just log in here. On the left-hand side, we're going to go to add posts, and we are going to see a list of the ads that we have just created, right? So essentially what we need to do here is choose the one that we've just created. You'll see on the right-hand side, it'll give you a preview of exactly what it is. Now, as you can see, this is that carousel that we were looking at, okay? And now what we will do is on the top where it says actions, you're going to come down and you're going to say publish. It'll ask you if you're ready to publish. Go ahead and click on publish. Now, the very interesting thing is, let us go back to Facebook over here on our page, and you'll see this is the page, boom, that just added in this post. And this is what it looks like. And you've got that little title over there. You've got the action button, which you can change if you want WhatsApp messages or whatever the case may be. And there you go. A carousel post right on Facebook.